It is summertime and it's hot outside, which is why I'm choosing today to show you 3 of my favorite healthy go-to beverages for warm days, or anytime really, but it's freaking hot outside, so I figured, why not today? I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 of my favorite healthy choices, including my iced coffee. Stick with me, I'm going to show you how to make it right now. It is currently 284 degrees outside. That's without the heat index. The real feel is probably 384. I'm just kidding. Hi, I'm Corinne. Welcome back to my channel. I am a foodie who likes to play in the kitchen, and I help people who like to get healthy, lose weight, change their lives around. I used to look like this. Now I am much healthier, mindset, body, all that fun stuff. I wanted to do the video today to show you 3 of my favorite go-to beverages on hot tamale summertime days that you don't have to have just in the summertime. You can have them anytime, but it's warm out at summertime, so I figured, what a better day. Could not be a better day? You know what I mean. I want to show you 3 of my go-tos, starting with number 1. Lemon water. I can't drink it in the morning. I've tried, I can't do it. But what I can do is make fresh lemonade, which is what I wanted to show you today. It's so easy, it's so refreshing. Not only are lemons full of vitamins and nutrients, high in vitamin C, but drinking the juice of a fresh lemon can help aid in digestion. It is fantastic for that. So if you have any issues doing the duty, then drink some fresh lemon juice. But besides that, seriously, it is so delicious and so refreshing. Wash your lemon always, because you don't know who or what may have touched this mofo, and you don't want it going all over your hands and then gross. Wash the lemon. Take the lemon, roll the lemon to get all the juices kind of, what the hell is the word I'm looking for? It softens it up to make the guts more juicy. Cut. Ice. Ice is good. This is how easy this is. Ice. Get your fancy little thingy here. You don't have to have a fancy thing, but it just makes it that much more easier. Squeeze. Now, at this point, if you want to add a sweetener, or in my case, maybe possibly some organic cane sugar to sweeten it up a little bit, you do you, boo. Otherwise, as is, grab yourself one of these fancy little compostable straws that I found on Amazon that I can share the link. Fresh lemonade. It is so delicious and is so refreshing. It's that easy, man. Make some fresh lemonade. Number 2 beverage, and this may seem weird, but stay with me, because a girlfriend introduced me to this last summer, and I've been making it ever since. Glass, ice, and the secret ingredient, Truvia sweetener, an all-natural sweetener, no artificial crap. I will link this below. I get it off of Amazon. My favorite is the caramel. How do you say it? Let me know in the comments below. I call it caramel or caramel, whatever. I'm putting some in my water. It comes in all different flavors. The point of me showing you all of this is stop going to the gas station or the drive-thru and getting the high sugary, high processed bullshit beverages when you can do this in the comfort of your home, save a bunch of money, and most importantly is save your health. That's why I wanted to show you this. Ice. I'm putting another ice in there. Couple little drips because a little dab will do. Add the water. Grab a straw. Give it a mix. And now you have flavored water without any additives or other, like I said, processed bullshit in there. It's freaking Truvia. It's delicious and refreshing. Last but not least, we have iced coffee. My husband's previous coworker, boyfriend, sister's brother's dog's mom showed him this particular recipe. I adapted it, made it my own, and now I want to show you. Now, I have instant coffee. I get it at Aldi because I shop and get just about everything at Aldi. I cannot drink instant coffee like by itself or in place of regular coffee. I have tried. It tastes like ass and sadness. I can't do it. I will take the regular coffee over instant coffee. Even in a bind, I would rather have nothing. But when it comes to this particular iced coffee recipe, trust me, to my cup, I am going to add organic cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. Grab your plant milk, cover on tight, give it a shaky, 3 tablespoons of milk. Get yourself a frother. If you don't have one, invest. Otherwise, you can do this in a regular blender, and give it a froth until it's foamy and it starts. So excited! You'll see. I'm gonna froth it. Look at how frothy that got just from giving it a froth for about 1.5 minutes. That's it. Getting the ice cubes. You add the ice, and you top it off with the almond milk. You want to go a little cray-cray like I'm about to do? Add your Truvia, add your caramel, add your vanilla, whatever flavor sweetener that you have. Just a couple of drips. We're not going to go crazy here. Give it a stir. And there is a bomb diggity iced coffee drink. You don't need to go to the freaking the drive-thru in the gas station and get yourself the Frappa-Lappa Ding Dong, which is completely full of extra sugar, extra fat, extra processed, who knows what. Look at how easy this is. And yes, there's a tablespoon of organic cane sugar in there and a little bit of the Truvia all-natural sweetener. It saves you on so much extra sugar, fat, and calories because we don't need to add all of that when we're trying to get rid of it, okay? That is so effing good. To make it even better. But wait, there's more. Can it get better, Corinne? Yes, it can. So this has 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. I don't even know what the caffeine content is on this. Don't look, didn't care. But on the days where you need an extra kick in the balls like I do sometimes and you want the extra caffeine boost, I got you, boo. Brew yourself a cup of coffee, let it cool a little bit, pour it into this honeycomb cute little adorable silicone ice cube maker jobby like I have right here. I can link it below. And then you can pop some coffee ice cubes into your iced coffee. Of course, when I want to show you, mine's being a bitch. Coffee cubes. I'm going to put these away so they don't melt all over. So you can add your coffee cubes to your instant coffee iced coffee drink. Coffee. Oh my God. You need a pick-me-up? This will do. Take it on the go, put it in your thermos, whatever, man. Now you have an iced coffee. You want to go really crazy and be like climbing on the rafters, and I'm talking holy shit. If you want insanity, then fill it with a little bit of the plant milk and then top it off with regular brewed coffee. My God! I did that once before. There's no need for me to do it again. I didn't need that much. I didn't need that much. But drinking the regular iced coffee, I'm telling you, freaking delicious. So iced coffee drink, the flavored caramel drink, and the fresh lemonade. And my mess that I love very much because I love showing you healthy stuff like this. Stop going out to the drive-thru and spending the stupid money and getting the stupid drink when you can make the stupid awesome thing here for yourself and improve your health. Check out links below. I got a bunch of fun stuff down there going on for you. I have programs, I got free stuff, I got merch. Check it out. If you make any of these, let me know in the comments below. I always love interacting with comments. And speaking of, I have a Facebook page as well. I answer all comments or send me an email. My contact information is below. I hope you like this. If so, give it a like. Please subscribe. Eat clean, live loud, and I will see you in the next video. That's why I wanted to choose today